I wish I had a Ford GT. Hey, what do you want? Ford GT. It's so expensive. And I don't even think you can get it here. I'm gonna get one that's easy. But they're very expensive. Here you go, Vesta. Isn't that a Hot Wheels car? It's not even a Ford GT. And it looks like something from Toy Story.